Now here's another thing you might want to know. If you got hardwired ones, and if your light on there, let's see here. If your green light, the light's not very good in here, is it? Okay, if your green light is on there, chances are you're hardwired. If you don't know if your smoke alarm is hardwired, you can take the body off, unscrew it, unclip it, do whatever you need to do to get it down. If you got wires, you got a pigtail, you got wires going up into a junction box, you know that's called a hardwired. It's hardwired into your electrical system, to your electrical circuitry, and you're going to have a breaker in your electrical box that's going to turn them off, and it might not even be on a dedicated circuit. It might be underneath lights, plugs, bedroom, who knows what it's going to be on. So what I could do is I could go into the electrical panel, which is outside, and I could look and see if one of them's marked smoke alarm. If it's not, I would have to play with breakers, either 15 amp, 20 amp breaker circuits for either lights, bedroom lights, hallway lights, bedroom outlets, something like that. Okay, and so I can do it that way, and that's really the best way to do it. Another way you could do it, if you've got a little bit of knowledge on electrical and stuff, you could do it hot. And I did that. I did all of them hot over at my auntie's house. I didn't mess with turning off an electrical outlet, electrical circuit breaker or anything like that. I took one wire off at a time. You've got a little pigtail that's going to be in there, and black, white, and red, and you undo one wire nut at a time from the ceiling, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and you just be real careful. Okay, but if you have no knowledge of electrical and you're afraid of that, go out to your electrical panel and find out which breaker it is. If it doesn't say smoke alarm on it, you look for those other ones, and then you're going to have to go back and forth. So you can have somebody in here on their cell phone over to your cell phone. Okay, I'm going to turn off this one that says bedrooms, master bedroom, or guest bedroom. Is it off? Nope, it's not off. Okay, turn that one back on, turn the next one on. It should be a 15 amp breaker or a 20 amp breaker. Okay, and so you can flip-flop them that way too. Okay, so I'm saying for most DIY beginners, turn your power off before you start working on your hardwired smoke alarms.